Hello students, now we are going to see beauty of nature. Nature is always beauty, is it? But now we are going to see the beauty of nature by singing a song. Okay students, listen to the song and try to sing with me. Mountains have peaks and plains are flat. Oceans have waves and rivers have banks. Mountains have peaks and plains are flat. Oceans have waves and rivers have banks. Lakes are large and ponds are small. Deserts are dry and valleys are deep. Lakes are large and ponds are small. Deserts are dry and valleys are deep. Students, have you all enjoyed by singing the song? Okay, thank you, students.